How to change settings in Dropbox. Really easy and simple. So once you're logged in, come here at the top right, you will see your profile icon. Click on that. And then you just want to go ahead and click on settings right here. Click on settings and I'll show you a bunch of different settings. So I'm currently on a personal account. So if I scroll down under general, I'm able to edit my profile photo, right? Change my name. Just come here, click on edit, and then you'll be able to either drag and drop from your computer or choose from Dropbox, right? Let me show you. All right, let's say I want to upload this photo. I just drag it and drop it right here. Now, this is a WebP. You cannot upload that. You have to upload a PNG or JPG. So we'll just go ahead and upload this apple right here. And that's currently uploading. Of course, you can choose a file from Dropbox as well. So once it's done uploading, just go ahead and click on done. And we have change your profile photo. Same way, change your name, whatever you want to change it to. Then you come here and click on change name. Email address, you'll have to enter your new email address and then confirm the same email right here. Enter your Dropbox password and update your email. Of course, they'll try to verify your new email address before it actually changes. And then you can change other settings as well here. For example, languages, date, time, okay? And if you want, you can come to security right here, turn on things like two-factor authentication, change your password. You can change your notification setting right here, what you want to be notified about and what you don't want to be notified. You can just toggle it on and off. And then you can go to apps as well right here and then see what apps you are connected with. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.